In today's video, I am going to teach you how to connect Wix email to Gmail. This is a practical setup that helps you receive and manage your Wix email messages using Gmail, so everything can be in one familiar place. If you follow these steps in order, you should be able to link your accounts smoothly. To begin, open your Wix dashboard. You want to make sure you are signed in to the correct Wix account, because the email connection you are setting up will be tied to that account. Once you are inside the dashboard, take a moment to locate the inbox area, since that is where the email settings live. Next, click Inbox. This section is the control center for your email communication inside Wix. It is also the place where Wix gathers the options you need to connect external email providers. After you click Inbox, allow a moment for the page to load, then look for the Settings option. That is where the Gmail setup begins. Now click Settings. Settings is important because it is where Wix lets you manage how your messages are delivered and where they can be received. Once you open Settings, you should see a menu with communication options. Your goal here is to find the area that controls communication channels, since Gmail is one of those channels. Click Communication Channels. This step matters because it is the specific section that handles integrations for email delivery and access. When you enter Communication Channels, you will likely see several options, and one of them will be Gmail. At this point, look for the Setup action next to Gmail, because Wix usually shows a button labeled Setup for integrations you have not connected yet. Click Setup next to Gmail. If you have never connected Gmail before, this is the button that starts the linking process. After you click it, Wix will move you to the next screen that begins the connection flow. This is also the part where Wix will ask you to confirm you want to continue with Google. Click Continue with Google. This step is necessary because Gmail is provided through Google, and Wix uses Google authentication to securely verify the account you want to connect. When the Google sign-in page or consent page appears, your next task is to choose the correct Gmail account. Select your Gmail account. Be careful to select the account that you want to use for receiving your Wix email messages. If you have multiple accounts signed in on your device, you might see a list. Take your time here and make sure the selection matches the Gmail inbox you intend to use. After selecting the right account, proceed to the next confirmation step. Continue confirms the connection and allows Google to grant Wix the permissions needed to set up the email integration. Once you click Continue, Wix will finish the linking process and bring you back to the Wix setup area. At this stage, you may need to wait a moment while the connection is established. After the connection is completed, it is a good idea to review the status in Wix to confirm that Gmail shows as connected or set up. If you do not see an updated status immediately, give the page a few seconds to refresh. The goal is to ensure that Wix recognizes your Gmail account as the destination for your email communication. And that covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.